Hey all, in this video I'm going to quickly demo the MSI G241 gaming monitor and see how it works with the new Xbox Series X and next gen consoles. This monitor is great for gaming and fully supports 120 FPS on the Series X in HD. So first of all, let's run through the tech specs of this monitor. It is an IPS panel. It optimizes the screen colors and the brightness to enhance your viewing and experience. It's FHD High Resolution. Game titles will look even better, displaying more details due to the FHD resolution. It has a 144Hz refresh rate, which is really great for gaming and is probably only achievable on a PC. Currently, the Xbox Series X maxes out at 120Hz. It has a 1 millisecond response time. That's great for stopping tearing and choppy frame rates. A wide colour gamut, so the game's colours and details will look more realistic and refined, pushing game immersion to its limits. It also includes AMD FreeSync Technology, that again improves the tearing on your screen. It's got a nice frameless design. You enjoy the ultimate gaming experience with narrow bezels, and it has a 178-degree wide viewing angle. Colours and details will stay sharp at more angles with a 178-degree viewing angle. I've used this monitor for a few weeks and it's great for 120 FPS gaming. It works well with the Series X. I've not noticed any tearing or anything of that nature. The colours and the panel itself is a lot nicer to look at than the Samsung 28-inch 4K monitor I have. But again, this is only a smaller 24-inch panel with only HD gaming. But for me, for use upstairs, this is great, and it's in the sub £200 bracket, so this is ideal for what you need, just for as a budget monitor. Also, using this monitor lets you have 120 FPS without having to spend the big bucks on the 4K versions. It's more than a capable monitor for the Xbox Series X or PlayStation 5. I hope this quick review has helped you guys out, and please check out my other videos for other tech tips and reviews.